What is up, guys? I got another banger video for you guys. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Long story short, I finally got my hands on a pair of Nike Shattered Backboard 3.0s. I don't know what the hell Nike was thinking with this crazy gloss finish on such a beautiful silhouette. Personally, ones are probably my favorite next to a couple other retros. But one thing I can tell you from all the videos I've seen on YouTube, I will not utilize Krylon or Rust-Oleum or any kind of spray paint. You do that shit, you cut corners, you're gonna get a crappy result, and that's the end of it. So, my method, it requires an airbrush, and second, you gotta get the Angelus Matte Finisher. I will plug Angelus till the day I die. Although I'm not sponsored by Angelus, it's an ultimate goal of mine to get to that point. I always want to plug their product because the products they make are premium, they're quality, and they'll never let you down. So, let's go ahead, show you guys these J's, and let's go ahead and correct the issue that Nike messed up on so we can go ahead and see these bad boys matted. First thing we're going to do is hit the uppers with acetone and go ahead and get into this video. Let's get started. One thing I'm going to recommend is when you get your acetone, I personally like to have it in a little squeezable bottle with a tip. Makes it easier when I go ahead and apply acetone to your cotton rounds. You can use cotton rounds, cotton balls, whatever you want to do. The most important part though is when you go around these wings logos right here, I highly suggest that you get a Q-tip just because it's going to be a lot easier to kind of get in those nice little areas. Last thing is when you go on the orange parts versus the black parts, you always want to use a different cotton round because the last thing you want to have happen is you rub black onto the orange or orange onto the black. Prep is key. You don't have to rub super hard, you just want to rub very lightly to get that little finish off the top so our matte finisher can have something to stick to. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. Of course, the easy part is we got to go ahead and tape the midsoles. Just because when we're putting matte finisher on these shoes, you don't want to get on the midsoles. I'll probably just put something over the tongue here. I'll save you guys the hassle, because like I say, no one wants to watch you tape shoes on YouTube because that shit is super boring. So let's go ahead and tape these bad boys up. Now that the uppers are fully taped up, the most important part is going to be the matte finisher. Now you really want to make sure that you shake the crap out of this solution because that matte agent is what's really going to make this job come to life. Let's go ahead and load it up into the airbrush and go ahead and put some coats on. that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys are new here and you enjoyed this content, please drop a like, leave a comment. It helps me know that this is content you guys enjoy. Hopefully this video can kind of help you guys matte out Nike's mistake. Super pumped with the results. Once again, to kind of highlight what we need, you're going to need some matte finisher, an airbrush, which is optional. You can always do it by hand. The only downfall to doing it by hand is your coats. They may not come out super even. Pretty much does it for this restoration. Thank you guys so much. Once again, my name is Freeman. Till the next one, guys. Peace.